Okay, this is a demonstration how to make a prescription using patient files using the iPad. First, let's make the headings. So just open a PicCollage app, PicCollage, then just open a blank page and then drag a headline that came from your images. So actually you have done this earlier. Probably a picture of your RX will do, and then just the headings, then just save it there, and then you're done. So that's already your headings. Now let's go to making a prescription. Open patient files and then just click new and then type the name of the patient. Then after that, click the Vicent circle button, then click new. And then for the chief complaint, you can just tap that yellow button and just choose an existing complaint, and also the same with the diagnosis. And now you're ready for a prescription. Just tap RX Writer and then click number 1. Tap the search button and just tap the few letters of the drug that you're planning to prescribe, and then edit the dosaging. And then this is for the second drug. And then you can tap another button for your name. So you should have already encoded your name there. So click big. Then here's your prescription. And what you do is you do a screenshot. And then after you screenshot, you can already arrange it a bit, crop it a bit, and then sign, make your signature. And then of course save it to your camera roll, and then open the PicCollage, then open your old file where you have a heading, and then search for the image that you've made on the prescription, and then just arrange it there as a whole prescription. So now you already have your prescription. And the moment you save it to the camera roll, you can now send it to any patient via email or even via Facebook messaging. Okay, this is for the iPhone. It's basically the same. Just open the patient files app and then type the name of the patient that you want to make a prescription, then tap the visits circle button. Then click new, and then here click the RX Writer button. So when you make a prescription, then just tap one button there and then type the first letters of the drug that you want to prescribe, then choose it. Then you can add any dosaging that is necessary. Okay, you can edit it. And for the second drug, you can do the same. Just type the few letters and edit it. Then you could add your name, a name that you already encoded there prior to this one. Then type, click print big. Then tap the right lower area. Then click the save form to PDF. Then tap print. Then just enlarge it by your 2 fingers to make it bigger, then make a screenshot and then sign it just like you did in the iPad, and then go to PicCollage and then open an old file that you already made with your heading. In this example, I will delete former patient's prescription and then add my own, the new one. Okay, then you save that for the camera roll and you're ready to share it via email or even by Facebook Messenger. Okay, thank you so much.